Sixth standard English.
Hi students, and in this video we are going to see the second part of the lesson sea turtle for 6th standard unit 1. Already we saw about the sea turtles, how many turtles are there, what are the varieties are there, we saw. There are 7 varieties, but 5 are found in India. So among them, the most famous one is olive ridley. Already we know. So we are learning about olive ridley, and we saw about Aribada, which takes in Odisha. All these things are mentioned. Now we should see some other things. Okay, when olive ridley comes ashore from the sea, already I told you, it digs the mud to the 45 centimeter cavity. Cavity means it is a hole. Okay, already it is a familiar word. Cavity means it is a hole. So it makes the hole in order to lay the eggs. 40 centimeter cavity. So it lays the egg. The eggs are like a table tennis ball size. So when you see the play the table tennis, so the ball size, that is the size of the egg. It lays around some 100 eggs. How many eggs? 100 eggs. 100 eggs in 45 centimeter cavity, and it tosses the mud and it closes everything, and the female or the mother turtle goes into the sea. So after going to the sea, the eggs are there left. So the eggs are open to the predator. Predator means destroyer or hunters. Who are the hunters? We, the people are hunters. They are looking and digging the pit and taking away all the eggs. And jackals, which are living near the seashore or near little forests, like the jackals come and eat all the eggs. And the pigs also, they are eating very nicely all the turtles' eggs. And finally the domestic dogs. Domestic dog means house dogs, what we grow like a pet dogs or street dogs. They also come and eat all the eggs. So the rest of the eggs which are remaining, they only become the hatchling. Hatchling means small one, coming out of the egg. So after coming out of the egg, okay, those who are remaining eggs, they hatch within 45 to 60 days. They hatch and they come out from the mud. They just started to come out from the mud. Already I told you, if you put Aribada means you can see all the video. So after 45 to 60 days, it becomes the hatchlings, and the hatchlings come out of the mud. The hatchling will be just 20 grams only, but it becomes 700 kilos. Okay, it starts from the 20 gram and it becomes 35 kilos to 700 kilos. So what happens now? Many of the hatchlings, they are emerging from the mud. They should go to the water. They cannot live in the land, They have to go to the sea. So they started to go into the sea, small things like chicks. Okay, so they have started to go into the sea. Before they are reaching into the sea, there are so many things are there. Birds of the sky, they will come and they will eat the small things. Are there crabs? Big crabs are there. They will eat the small hatchlings. So before they are getting into the sea, so many hatchlings will be eaten by the animals, birds and crabs. After entering into the sea also, okay, there are so many fish are there, snakes are there, so many crabs are there in the sea. In the sea also, the hatchlings will be eaten and will be killed. So the scientists say only one in the 1,000 hatchlings remains and becomes big. So that's where thousands of olive ridleys come and lay so many eggs. That's why it is maintained to have the number of turtles there, because 1 in 1,000 means for 1,000 eggs only one survives. So that's why there so many turtles come ashore and make an Aribada event, and they wanted to get their number. So what happens then? After they are getting into the river, they started to live there. Those who are surviving there, after becoming a bigger one, they have to lay their egg. The female. So the female comes exactly to the place where they are born. So they don't go anywhere. B-O-R-N, born place, birthplace. B-I-R-T-H, birthplace. Okay, so the hatchlings, when they are becoming bigger one, they wanted to lay their eggs, they exactly come to the birthplace. So the ocean is there, already I told you, the Bay of Bengal is there, the Indian Ocean is there, Arabian Ocean is there, but exactly they will come to the Odisha beach, because in the Odisha beach only they are born. So exactly they come to the Odisha beach. So scientists say it is something like a mystery. We cannot find out how they are finding. The ocean is very big. They can go anywhere. They can go another country and lay their eggs. But they come to the particular place where they are born. So it is something like a mystery. So on the day, particular day, we said January and March in the month. Exactly they come to Odisha beach, or exactly come to where they were born. Just they come and for laying the eggs. So there are so many problems. What is the problem? So these turtles survived millions and millions, thousands of years on this earth. So human, we are also living on this earth millions and millions of years. So they share the land with us. So they share the earth with us. So the earth is only the place where the turtles can live. They cannot go to Mars, or they cannot go to sun, or they cannot go to moon. Okay, we are now navigating everything. But the turtles cannot go. They have only earth, or they have only the beach and the sea to live. But nowadays, there are so many threats are there. The human activities are threatening their life. Humans are threatening all the life, destroying the forest and threatening the wildlife animals. And now we are destroying the beach and also make the turtles to be extincted. Extincted, not die almost, killing almost. How we are doing? First we are hunting. So the fishermen go for the fishing and they hunt some turtle. So sea turtle which are very rare, and it will be killed for meat and they sell it. Then plastic pollution is very must. We have so much of pollution there, and we are also polluting the beach and also sea. We are dumping all the plastic things are collected, and we have no place. You just put near the seashore. So when the seashore, you put the plastic from the bottom, the eggs are there. When the hatchling come out, the top of the there will be plastic. So the hatchlings cannot go or cannot enter into the sea. So the plastic pollution is there. So example for the plastic pollution, 2 days before the Indian Express newspaper, there is an article put in America. They published in America, Florida state is there. The Florida state, leather bags are there. Already we saw, no? In India we have olive ridley. In America they have leather bag. So the leather bag hatchlings are not able to go into the sea, and they are affected by the plastic pollution in America. So it is given. Really, it is. These things are happening. So I give you the picture. You can also see, or you go and refer the Indian Express. The day is given there. So then, last one is construction activity. What is the construction activity? The construction activity means we are building the buildings there near the seashore. So we want to live, or we make something bridge like, or we just put something shop like. So like the construction activity also there. If you build a house or something there, the turtle cannot come and lay the eggs. So the turtles probably they have to move away, or they have to go some other place. So these are the wrong activities like deforestation. In the seashore also we are polluting and we are making the construction. In order to reduce all the problem, or if you want to save the turtle, we have to handle this problem with some kind of rules and regulation. So there should be a particular rules where the Aribada takes place. So there should be a particular regulations and particular safeguards to save the turtles. So we have to save the turtles because they are the co-livers on the earth with us. Okay students, this is the lesson sea turtles. So study well. Bye.